Today is the final resting day for legendary Nollywood actor Mr. Ibu, and yes, already as you can see from this video, the funeral is already ongoing in Enugu, where is his hometown, and that is where he will be laid to rest today. Now, due to Davido's, I always still refer to Davido wedding. A lot of people were distracted. A lot of people don't really know that his burial was supposed to be this week, and for a legend like him, it's supposed to be a thing that everybody should talk about. Honestly, Mr. Ibu is one of those comedians who made our childhood, adulthood, solve a lot of problems, anxieties issues, anger issues, cure a lot of high BP and all of that with his God's-given talent. And today, he's finally being laid to rest in his hometown in Enugu. And as usual, your highlight guy is here. I'm bringing you this highlight here directly from Enugu. Enjoy. Please don't forget to drop a comment below sharing your thoughts.
This will be different. I think we should go. We should go second. Let's go. So we can follow it. Where's your? Okay. Oh my God.
No, I'm not going to do this.
security now.